Okay, it's May 31st, last day of May, and we're in Wellington, Texas. There's Sarah. I can't zoom, but she's there. Sarah. Also, Yech. And Scott's over here somewhere. But we got a developing storm. It's actually erupting big time right now, and it looks good. So this might be our play today. Been a little bit of a slow week. We've been on storms every day, but nothing like earth shattering. So hopefully today we shatter some earths. Look at that. It is. You can see the ample through there. That thing is directly straight up erupting. Scott brought chocolate from the island. Peanut butter cup. Oh my God.
Oh man. Oh my God. It's like crunchy. Like
it's
crunchy peanut. Like
it's like
something.
the way it's supposed to be.
Oh my God.
Oh Lordy.
It's like a chocolate.
It's real good. Let me look in the box. Look at
my
this.
God.
Oh my God. I'm getting some feelings of inadequacy. We've got some suspicious dust over there. We got some suspicious lowerings over here.
Out of the backside too.
No, look at the dust.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on to your cameras.
Oh fuck.
I want to watch this wall cloud and we'll get back out in front. Oh, you're good. Sarah and I are enjoying another Haboob-ish moment.
Just we're bringing them.
Yeah, that's us. We just live in the dust. We got maybe a wall cloud in there. I mean, it's definitely, that's an RFD cut if I've ever seen one, and we got a couplet on radar, but we're definitely in outflow right now, so it's really hard. Oh, over there. This doesn't really feel like it should have a couplet, but Elizabeth's going crazy. She loves this. I love the dust. She loves all the mayhems. Yep. Ooh, the outflow has hit us. It's cold. Look at this dust coming up right here. As long as that's not a tornado, I feel good right now. Definitely an outflow. Tornado should be in there. All right, we're on like supercell number 3 today. The last one gusted out. May have had a brief tornado. We got the wall of dust from that kind of just hanging out, and then we got another supercell here. You see the wall cloud in there. Looks good. Straight ahead, we would be in heaven. Really like rapid right in there.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
Yeah. Shit. Holy fuck. Yeah, no, I didn't. I'm looking at that. That looks outflowy to me. It's not spinning. So you're the right.
That's a tornado.
Yeah, that's a tornado.
Oh, look at there. Look.
Tornado.
I don't know. It looks anticyclonic. Wild. It's moving. It's moving with the outflow, but that's cool looking.
A little worried about it.
Where's the lightning? I mean, I see it flashing everywhere, just not in front of us. Good to see a tornado about to happen.